Most yards don't look cheap because the plants are bad. They look cheap because the details are unfinished. Here are 10 simple, affordable fixes, from how you define your borders to how you match your landscape to your home, that can make any yard feel deliberate, polished, and far more expensive than it actually is. Want instant polish? Start at the edge. Number 1. Nothing transforms a yard faster than crisp, defined edges. Want instant polish? Start at the edge. A clean border between lawn and beds signals care, no matter what's planted inside. Prefab metal edging, steel or aluminum, runs about $2.50 to $4 per foot, with 100-foot bulk rolls coming in near $220 to $260. That's an affordable upgrade with big visual impact. The trick is to dig a trench 2 to 3 inches deep, set the edging flush, and tamp the soil back for a seamless look. This single line frames every other detail, making even basic mulch or ground cover feel deliberate. Before adding color or texture, get the borders right. Defined edges are the foundation of a yard that looks finished, not forgotten. Every upgrade that follows will look better inside a sharp, intentional outline. In second place, fresh mulch makes everything read as cared for. A crisp new layer hides tired soil and fills out the edges you just defined, giving beds a rich, uniform look that pops against the lawn. Bagged, dyed hardwood mulch costs about $30 to $45 for a 2 cubic yard bundle, enough for most front beds if you keep the layer thin. Aim for a 2-inch top dress, just enough to cover bare spots and refresh color. Always leave a small gap around tree trunks to prevent rot, a common mistake that can harm your plants. The payoff is instant. Bold contrast, tidy lines, and a visual signal that someone pays attention to the details. For the price of a few bags and an hour of spreading, the yard takes on that finished, high-end feel without any new planting. Third on our list, buying more types of plants won't make your yard look expensive. Rhythm is what calms the eye and makes a space feel designed, not accidental. Choose 2 or 3 reliable species and group them in odd numbers, 3, 5, or 7. This odd number rule is a designer's shortcut for a balanced, natural look. For spacing, aim to plant each specimen about 1 to 1.5 times its mature width from the next. That's close enough to create a tight, lush wall as they fill in, but far enough for each plant to keep its shape. When you repeat the same form, color, or texture along a bed, the yard feels intentional and pulled together. Less variety, more repetition. This is how high-end gardens achieve that subtle, expensive rhythm. Number 4. 2 big planters near the door, read as a design choice. Scale matters at the entry. Tiny pots get lost, but a pair of substantial containers on either side of the front door signals intention and confidence. For most homes, a 24-inch planter feels right, about 1/4 the height of a standard door. New concrete or resin planters in that size usually run $70 to $120 each. Salvage yards often have classic terracotta or composite barrels for as little as $30 to $55. The effect is immediate. Matched planters anchor the entry, create symmetry, and make the whole facade feel more expensive. Skip the clutter of scattered small pots. 2 bold, well-placed planters frame your front step and set a polished tone for everything behind them. Number 5. Overgrown shrubs age a house more than paint does. Trimming them back is not just about tidiness, it is about letting your home's architecture breathe. When shrubs block windows or crowd the entry, the whole facade feels heavy and neglected. The fix is simple. Aim to remove no more than 1/3 of the live branches in a single session. That's the sweet spot for keeping the plant healthy and the shape crisp. Most homeowners can tackle a small to medium shrub in about 20 to 30 minutes, while bigger, tangled bushes might take up to an hour. The payoff is immediate: clean lines, more light, and a sense of order. Pruning now also clears the way for subtle lighting effects later. Start with the basics. Sharpen your loppers, set a timer, and reveal the structure your yard already has. Less foliage, more intention. Number 6, the right lighting makes a yard feel finished at night. Simple path lights, set to a warm 2,700 Kelvin, bring out the textures and colors you worked hard to shape during the day. At night, they add a soft, upscale glow. Place each fixture about 12 to 18 inches above the ground. That is low enough to avoid glare and high enough to cast a gentle pool of light along the walkway. Stick to a spacing of 5 feet between each stake. This keeps the illumination smooth and even, with no dark gaps and no runway effect. Most solar or low-voltage kits come ready to install, so you do not need an electrician or a big budget. The effect is subtle, but striking. Every edge, every planter, every pruned shrub is highlighted for evening curb appeal. A few well-placed lights can make the whole yard feel intentional, even after sunset. Number 7, every yard needs a single place for the eye to land. A well-chosen focal point, at about 5 to 6 feet high and within 10 feet of the main view, brings instant order to the landscape. This could be a sculptural planter, a graceful small tree, a simple bench, or even a striking boulder. The trick is restraint. One focal anchor, not a scatter of competing accents. Placing it at eye level along the main approach gives the entire yard a sense of hierarchy and intention. The rest of the space can be calm and clean because the eye knows where to rest. A single, deliberate focal point is the quickest way to make the yard feel designed, not accidental. Let everything else recede so that one feature quietly commands attention. Number 8, do not let utility clutter undo good design. Garbage bins, air conditioners, and hose reels can pull focus from all your careful upgrades. The fix is simple and affordable. A 4x8 foot wood lattice panel, about $15 to $25 at any home center, stands up easily and screens off unsightly corners. Salvage yards offer reclaimed fence sections for just $2 to $3 per foot, adding rustic texture for next to nothing. For a greener touch, a line of evergreen shrubs, $6 to $12 each, can soften the view and blend with planting beds. The best screens are reversible or removable, so you can access what you need without hassle. By hiding distractions, every other upgrade, fresh mulch, crisp edges, bold planters, gets a chance to shine. A tidy backdrop is the quickest way to make your yard feel cared for and cohesive, no matter the season. Number 9, you can change a yard without buying a thing. Just clean what you already have. Power washing hard surfaces like walkways, patios, and driveways delivers an instant upgrade most people overlook. For around $45 to $70 a day, you can rent a 2,000 PI washer and tackle years of grime in a single afternoon. Even a 1 or 2 hour session can boost the brightness of concrete or stone by 20 to 30%, making the entire space feel newer and more intentional. This isn't just about dirt, it's about revealing the crisp lines and subtle tones that expensive yards always show off. Clean surfaces set the stage for every other detail. Fresh mulch, sharp edging, and bold planters all look better against a spotless background. Before you consider new materials, give your old ones a fresh start. And finally, in 10th place, a yard looks expensive when it feels like it belongs to the house. The quickest way to elevate curb appeal is to echo your home's architecture in the yard itself. That means repeating materials, colors, and lines from the house in your landscape choices. Choose a tight palette, 2 or 3 materials that match the tones of your siding, trim, or stonework. If your house skews warm, stick with bronze, terracotta, or wood. And if it's cool, Lean into slate, steel, or gray gravel. Let empty space work for you. Negative space around a planter or along a walkway reads as intentional, not unfinished. When beds, borders, and focal points mirror the scale and hierarchy of the house, the yard feels cohesive and high-end. Restraint is the secret. Too many materials or clashing styles break the illusion. The most expensive-looking yards are the ones that look like they were designed together, not pieced together. Across all 10 ideas, the pattern is clear. Luxury isn't about spending more, but caring more. Small, thoughtful details create a sense of order and purpose that always feels premium. A truly elegant yard starts with intention. Thanks for watching. Share your favorite upgrade below.